The factory looks great. And I'm going to look here at the cement plant. This is on a peninsula. And then I'll go down there since there's people there. We have a center cab Whitcomb, I believe. Much more detailed than it was when I last looked here. Especially with the lighting. The lighting looks great. Beautifully done buildings, all weathered, all with lighting. Looks like LED, all LED lighting. Small chemical complex here with racks for these chemical cars, chemical tank cars. All finished, all completely cynicked. When I last came here, I don't think this was finished. Definitely didn't have all this lighting. That's rather nice. Looks like an SW1200. And a GP9. This is only part of the layout. So I'm going to go and explore the other part of the layout. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.